Welcome back, friends, and Happy New Year to all my viewers. I hope this year good for you and your family. Friend, this is the remote controls of Panasonic Robot Part 2, one already in our video list. Today topics are today we are describing basically the topics are the case study 2, one already discussed, how to use one, how to use two, and how to use three. This is the same features like a previous videos, remote controls of the Panasonic robot. This is the case study. Agricultural machine makers concerns. My company operating rate is the very low. Although we purchase the automatic robots, the operating rates doesn't increase. So what is the cause? The effective improvements, please the check Panasonic robot software called production management functions to analyze your the production lines, so you can the what is the bottleneck in your factory's product line easily. In this case, bottleneck was time to changing workpiece. As we improve results, the operation rates of the robot 10% up, and robot downtime is at 10% down. What engineers have they experienced? They analyze the operations rate of the robots with productions management function and figured out the data of how long to take the change workpiece. Understood the visualizations in this the most effective to solve problem. Here is the graphs, the 10% up and 10% down. The productive improvements through process check. Okay, then production management functions, the outlines. This is and the optional softwares of the for Panasonic robot to monitor the welding status in the real time for the manage the production of PC. Here same this is the same slides of the previous videos. The operation monitor, remote touch pendant viewers, production result monitors, and auto data receiving and at all. Now production result monitors functions. You can check the process of the productions for a day or the operation ratios of the robot to analyze the improve your productivities. The results of the production for the managing the process of the production, and time operations for the analyzing the operation ratio. Friends, this is the same softwares of previous videos. The production result monitors. The process of the productions and the robot operating ratio can be monitored and effective for the analyzing and improving the production efficiency. The today's production plan, friends, shown on the screen. There are the part wise. There are the two-part workpiece, and there are the charts of the robot working time, welding time, and the operation times, and you analyze through that. What you can do for that? The auto data receiving function. You can record the various data such as backup of the robots, integrating times and history of the error alarm and occurred etc. It is the useful recording the making a daily reports. The data can be saved at the anytime manually and also automatically at the preset time. With other optional softwares, the data robots logged such as the welding log data or the teaching log data can be the saved in PC. Details the below data can be the logged by the auto data receiving function. Full backup, production volume, backup of the system data and operating time, backup of the all programs, weldings. But it means that the all functions the working in the robots are automatic backup with your PC, and this is help you to troubleshoot your problems, maintaining your data and records. Friends, I hope this video is useful for your knowledge. If you like this videos, so kindly share and subscribe. If any doubts, comments, down the video. Thank you.